Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a day in the life. I'm going to be doing cooking, cleaning, homeschooling, pretty much my daily routine that I do almost every day through the week. But anyways, I like to always start with coffee, of course, and then sometimes I put a load of laundry in, and then I go ahead and get my diffuser started. So on days that I'm doing a crock pot meal, I like to go ahead and start early, and this recipe is just chicken, a box of stovetop, or 2 boxes I'm using, chicken broth, and some cream of chicken soup, and I'm using the fat-free, low cholesterol cream of chicken, but you can use any kind that you like. So you just start by putting your chicken in, and then the chicken broth, and then the 3 cans of cream of chicken soup. Now I'm not going to use all of this chicken for the recipe. When it's finished cooking, I'm going to take half of it out for a recipe for the next night, which is chicken pot pie. And you want to hold off on putting the stovetop in until right before you serve, because it doesn't take it that long to cook. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the chicken broth again with the cream of chicken, and let that cook most of the day for at least 4 to 5 hours on high or 6 hours on low. And now I'm just going to get started with some chores before we start doing schoolwork. So now that the chicken has finished cooking and I've taken half of it out for the next meal, I'm going to go ahead and add that stovetop, and I'm actually using 2 packs because I'm cooking a lot, but you don't have to use that much obviously. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there, and I'm actually just going to turn the crock pot down to warm now because we're not ready to eat it, but you don't really want it to overcook because it can get a little dry. But if it does get a little dry, it's not a big deal. You can just add a little more chicken broth to it.
Something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
So now I'm just going to print off a little game and a couple of worksheets that I planned on doing with my daughter today during homeschool. I do homeschool 3 of my 4 children, but the 2 that are in middle school are already finished with their work for the day, and they don't like to be recorded, so I just finished theirs first, and then now I'm going to do a little bit of one-on-one time with my youngest daughter.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Undercover
it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe before you leave.